Welcome to our online class. You might have seen all the videos which are displayed regularly on our WhatsApp group. But today there are some phones to be by our friends, by our students. That why shouldn't we engage our class online class? We can't avail tag meeting here, Zoom meeting. That's why this is my first attempt just in front of you. I was being busy on election on duty. That was COVID center duty, and that was the reason that I couldn't converse with you. Now you might have seen number of the videos which are displayed regarding to our most important topic, that is how to use as soon as. Number of the videos are there, but try to clarify what is meant by as soon as and why are these structures specially used. As soon as is that kind of structure that is used, or let us study some important feature of as soon as. As soon as is a conjunction, and this conjunction is a cumulative conjunction. Cumulative conjunction means the conjunctions which is specially used, as the definition shows that conjunction is responsible for the combination of two sentences. Two sentences are combined with the help of a specific word. That's why the role of the conjunctions are connectors. They are responsible for connecting two or more than two sentences. But these two sentences must be coherent to each other. Now, what kind of sentences as soon as combines? When two actions, especially FA and SA is written here. Try to understand what does this acrostic FA stand for? FA stand for first action and SA stand for second action. Now when two actions happen alternately, just a slight difference between two actions, then in order to join these two actions, especially as soon as is utilized. Let us tell me in Marathi, जेव्हा दोन लगातार क्रिया काही क्षणाच्या अंतराने घडतात तेव्हा त्या दोन क्रियांचं एकत्रीकरण करण्यासाठी आपण as soon as वापरत असतो. As soon as is a conjunction that is responsible for combination, for connecting two such sentences, two such action which happen alternately, just a slight difference between two action. Now second and most important feature of as soon as is that it is adverb clause of time. Many times a question has been asked in the exam. Prepare a single sentence of your own having adverb clause of time. So one should remember one thing in our mind, that using as soon as means using adverb clause of time. So this is the adverb clause of time specially utilized for having this combination. Now try to understand, when two actions happen alternately between two processes, then these processes are specially utilized and as soon as is used. Now here let us view on the board structure is there. First of all, as soon as first action, comma, second action. That is, when two sentences are there, you can view on the board two sentences. The teacher entered the class, and second, the student stood up. Now between these two sentences, it's your responsibility to understand first, to recognize which action is the first. That is, first action is written after the as soon as, and second action is written after comma. That is the point to be noted. Many students are there, they write as soon as, first sentence, comma, second sentence, but let us study some important sentence here. We shall go for shopping. The shop opens. Now if you follow this formula, write as soon as first, write first sentence, give comma at the interval, and then follow the last sentence, you will be wrong here. Why are you wrong? Because you can't understand, though this is the second sentence, this is the first action. This is the first sentence, but this is the second action. So remember, repeat this most important point, that while using as soon as, you must put the first action wherever it may be present. Sometime it would be present at the second position, sometime it would be present at the first position. So remember, as soon as पहली क्रिया कॉमा दूसरी क्रिया. In English, as soon as first action, comma, second action. Now, example is here. The teacher entered the class. The student stood up. Now, if you observe and recognize these two actions, which action would be first? Correct. The teacher entered the class. That is the first action. The student stood up. That is the second action. Now let us turn towards our structure. That first of all, as soon as the teacher entered the class, because the first action is here, the teacher entered the class. The first action, the first sentence, the teacher entered the class. But remember, grammatical aspect is here. T is a capital because it is the beginner of the sentence. But when it will be followed as a medial location, at that time this T must be small. That is a change, grammatical change expected here. So as soon as the teacher entered the class, first action is completed. Then comma is most important. Comma is the most important. Comma, and then write the second action as it is. No change is expected. You just expected to write, to recognize between two sentences which one is the first action, which one is the second action. Then we have a demo here. As soon as first action, comma, second action. So as soon as the teacher entered the class, comma, the student stood up. Now after having the first example, let us turn towards the second example. Now here are two sentences. We shall go for shopping and the shop opens. Now if you follow, if you understand that this is the first sentence and write as soon as we shall go for shopping, comma, the shop opens, you are wrong. Why are you wrong? You are wrong because you write or you wrote, you use the second action after as soon as. So remember, as soon as first action, which is the first action, the shop opens is the first action. So as soon as the shop opens, comma, now second action, we shall go for shopping. How would be the next sentence? How would be the final answer? As soon as the shop opens, comma, we shall go for shopping. Now, while giving the answer literally in a written manner, you have to take a special precaution. Which precaution is there? The precaution is that while writing the first action, you must use the small letter of the beginner. Though the T is capital here, but you need to use small letter as soon as the shop opens. Again, comma, second action, again we would be capital here, but you are expected to use W as a small. Now let us turn towards the third example. Third example is Ramu saw a tiger. Ramu saw a tiger. He shouted for help. Now observe this sentence. Ramu saw a tiger. He shouted for help. Ramu saw a tiger is the first action. He shouted for help is the second action. Then very easy, very simple. Put as soon as here. Put comma here. As soon as Ramu saw a tiger, comma, but after comma you are expected to write small he or small h. Now let us recognize the reason that why I wrote here small letter. Because the second comma is here and because of comma we are compelled to use the small letter. That's why the final answer would be as soon as Ramu saw tiger, comma, he shouted for help. Very simple sentences are there. The fourth one, the bird started chirping. The sun rose in the sky. Now again observe which action is the first. Have you ever seen that the sun rose first or the bird chirped first? So the sun rose in the sky, that is rising the sun in the sky, that is the first action. You will again wrong here. If you use as soon as the bird started chirping, comma, the sun rose in the sky, you are wrong. So better to use the first action as soon as the sun rose in the sky, comma, the bird started chirping. That would be the final answer. Let us turn toward the fifth sentence. The race started. We were looking these two examples. That is the first action. The race started. That is the second action. We were looking. So when the sentences are in a natural manner, then it's so easy to use as soon as, because your responsibility is just to put as soon as at the initial location and just put comma at the material location. So the answer would be the race started as soon as the race started, comma, we were looking. So this is very simple formula.